Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am diving into something that's been getting a lot of attention lately, dropshipping. Now I have been curious about this business model for a while, and after doing some serious research, I discovered a platform that actually impressed me, Doba. I know the dropshipping space can feel overwhelming with so many platforms out there, but Doba caught my attention because they have been around since 2002. That's about 20 years in this industry. So I decided to dig deeper and test it out myself to see if it lives up to the hype. So today I am going to give you a complete breakdown of how Doba works, what makes it different, and whether it is actually worth considering for your online business journey. Let's dive right into it. First, let me quickly explain dropshipping for anyone who is new to this concept. Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell products online without ever having to hold inventory or handle shipping yourself. Here's the simple process. You create an online store and list products for sales. When a customer buys something from your store, you forward that order to your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. You keep the profit, which is the difference between what your customer paid and what you paid the supplier. The biggest advantage, you can start an online business without needing thousands of dollars upfront for inventory. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need to handle packaging and shipping, and you can test different products without major financial risks. But here's where most people run into problems. Finding reliable suppliers, managing product catalogs, keeping track of inventory levels, and ensuring orders actually get fulfilled properly. This is exactly where Doba comes in to solve these challenges. So what exactly is Doba? Doba is an American-based business-to-business dropshipping platform that's been connecting online retailers with wholesale suppliers since 2002 with a mission to help small and medium-sized businesses scale through better supplier connections. And what really sets Doba apart is their comprehensive approach. Instead of you having to find and vet suppliers individually, Doba has already done that work for you. They have built relationships with over 1,000 pre-vetted suppliers, giving you access to more than 700,000 products across categories like home and garden, electronics, sports, pets, beauty, health, and much more. But here's what I find most impressive. Many of Doba suppliers are US based, which means faster shipping items for your customers. We are talking about 2 to 5 business days for most orders, not the weeks you might wait with some overseas suppliers. Doba also integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more. So whether you are starting fresh or already have an existing store, you can plug Doba right into your current setup. But here is something that truly caught my eye, Doba's AI Hub. This is not just about automation, it's about smart tools making things ridiculously easy. You get the AI Store Builder, which helps launch your online store in minutes, even adding 10 training products for you to start with. Then there's the AI Product Finder, powered by AI and big data to find the most profitable products for your niche. The AI Auto Lister keeps your shelves fresh with new products daily, automating listings and syncing inventory in real time. And finally, there's the AI Listing Optimizer, which helps you effortlessly create high-converting, SEO-boosted product titles and descriptions using AI, ready for all your sales channels. Seriously, these tools cut out so much of the manual work and guesswork. Let me walk you through exactly how Doba process works, because this is where it gets really streamlined. To kick things off, it's incredibly easy to get started with Doba. Just head over to doba.com. I will have the link in the description below. Once you're there, look for the Get Started or 99 cents trial button. And here you can earn up to $50 in coupons. Now to sign up, use your email address, create a strong password, enter your first name and last name, and then your business phone number. And then agree to their terms and conditions and click on register now. And in just a couple of minutes, you will be inside the Doba dashboard and ready to explore. First, here you connect your online store to Doba. You simply click connect a new store and install the Doba app on your e-commerce platform, and this integration just takes a few minutes. Next, you browse Doba's extensive product catalog. You can search by product type, supply location, shipping times, price, or minimum order quantity. What's really helpful is their top sellers and new arrivals section, where you can see what's trending and what other successful dropshippers are selling. When you find products you want to sell, you literally just press a button to add an item to your store, and all the product photos, description, and details get automatically imported. You just set your own pricing and profit margins, and Doba handles the rest. Here's where it gets really smooth. When a customer places an order in your store, that order automatically gets transmitted to Doba's backend system. You pay for the product using the payment method you have on file with Doba. The supplier then gets notified, fulfills the order, and ship it directly to your customer. And then you get tracking information to share with your customer, and you keep all profits from your retail pricing. No inventory management, no packaging, no trips to the post office. Now let me highlight some of the features that really make Doba stand out. First is their supplier vetting process. Doba doesn't just accept any supplier into their network. Each supplier goes through an extensive screening process to ensure you are working with reliable, high-quality wholesale partners. And their automated inventory management is another game changer. Doba's system automatically updates product availability and pricing in real time. This means you never have to worry about selling something that's out of stock or having outdated pricing. The order processing is completely automated too. Once an order comes in, Doba handles everything from supplier's notification to tracking updates. This reduces your manual work to practically zero. What I also appreciate is that there are no minimum order requirements. You can order products as needed without having to meet large minimum quantities, which is perfect when you are testing new products or just starting out. For customer support, Doba offers US-based support to help resolve any issues, and they back everything up with a 30-day refund policy. If your customer receives a damaged or broken products, then Doba provides prepaid return labels and handles refunds directly after verification. Now, what makes Doba truly special compared to other dropshipping platforms? Several things stood out to me during my research. First, they are 20 years of experience in this industry. They are not a new startup that might disappear tomorrow. They have been helping businesses succeed since 2002. That kind of longevity speaks to their reliability and expertise. Second, their focus on US-based suppliers. While many dropshipping platforms rely heavily on overseas suppliers with long shipping items, Doba prioritizes US suppliers for faster delivery. This is huge for customer satisfaction. Third, their comprehensive approach. Doba does not just give you access to products, they handle the entire supply chain from supplier relationship to order fulfillment. They have essentially created a one-stop solution for dropshipping businesses. And finally, their integration capabilities. Whether you are selling on Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or other platforms, Doba plugs right into your existing workflow without disrupting your current setup. Now let me be completely honest about dropshipping and what you can realistically expect. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and Doba is not magic. It's a business tool that makes dropshipping more manageable. You are still responsible for choosing the right products, marketing your store, providing the customer service, and building your brand. Profit margins can be competitive, especially when you are starting out, so you need to be strategic about the product selection and pricing. The advantage of using Doba is that it eliminates many of operational headaches that typically kill dropshipping businesses: unreliable suppliers, inventory management issues, and fulfillment problems. Doba handles the backend so you can focus on the business side. Success in dropshipping comes down to understanding your market, providing value to customer, and consistently working on your business. Doba gives you the infrastructure to do it properly, but business strategy is still up to you. Now, after diving deep into Doba and testing their platform, I can see why they have been successful for over 2 decades. Their comprehensive approach to dropshipping, focused on US-based suppliers and automated systems, make them a solid choice for anyone serious about building a dropshipping business. If you are curious about exploring dropshipping or want to streamline an existing business, Doba offers a $0.99 14-day free trials that lets you test everything out risk-free. I will leave their link in the description below. After that trial, Doba offers flexible plans to fit any business size. Their paid plans start from around $25 a month for the startup tier, with more advanced options like Business, Business Pro, and Enterprise for higher volumes and features. And a pro tip, you can save 5% by paying quarterly or 10% when you opt for annual billing. If this breakdown was helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you are thinking about trying dropshipping or if you have any questions about Doba. And if you want more content about legitimate online business opportunities and tools, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm always researching and testing platforms to bring you the honest reviews. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.